This is الدرس الخامس of كتاب أدوات الربط, and here we are doing the review chapter, which will review the first 4 chapters of connectors that you've studied up to this point. If you remember, in the previous chapters you studied conjunctions, wa, thumma, fa, aw, as well as the hal clause, in addition to the relative pronoun, alladhi, allati, alladhani, allatani, etc., as well as those connectors such as bil-idafa ila janibi hada and fawqa hada, kullihi. So now we're going to review and put those connectors in the correct sentence, in the blank, in the sentence where they are most appropriate. So here, I'm going to explain the meaning of these sentences so that it will help you place the appropriate connector in the blank. So in number 1 here, we have اشتغل مدرسا في مدرسة ثانوية blank ترك مهنة التدريس واشتغل بتأليف الكتب. So he worked as a teacher in a high school blank. He left the profession of teaching and worked in publishing books or writing books. إنه رجل لطيف وطيب blank فإن له زوجة مثقفة. So here in the first part we have he is a gentleman, gentle and good man. Blank, he has an educated wife. Okay, so again the fa there should indicate that what type of a connector we're looking at here to precede it. قابلت الأستاذين, I met the 2 instructors or professors. Blank علماني اللغة العربية. So I met the 2 instructors. Blank taught me the Arabic language. 4 رأيته في الحفلة, I saw him in the party. Blank معه أخته. With him was his sister. Number 5 5 زرت باريس ولندن blank زرت عددا آخر من بلدان أوروبا. I visited Paris and London blank I visited another number of European cities. 6 عملت ب blank نصحني به, I did blank you recommended or you advised me. Number 7 البنات blank وصلنا أمس أمريكيات. The girls blank arrived yesterday are Americans. هذه هي الشركة, we're on number 8. 8 هذه هي الشركة, this is the company blank عملت بها سنتين, I worked at it for 2 years. 9 الرجل blank شاهدناه في المتحف ليس قريبي. The man blank we saw in the or we witnessed in the museum is not my relative. هاجرت blank هي في 30 من عمرها. She emigrated or she migrated. She emigrated. She was 30 years old. 11 خرج الأستاذ من الصف. The teacher left the room or left the classroom. Blank قد ألقى محاضرة, had given a محاضرة قيمة, a valuable lecture. 12 تحدثت مع blank عملوا معي في السفارة. I spoke with blank worked with me in the embassy. So there you have the meanings of the sentences. You should be able to go back to each chapter, look up the connectors, and connect them. مع السلامة.